I'm going to show you how to iron a pair of cotton pants today with pleats. Now we have our waistband ironed and pressed. I'm going to take care of the pocket here. I want to make sure that everything underneath the pocket is flat, and I'm just going to give it a real quick once over, so that when I lay down my pocket to press it, it'll be smooth. You want to make sure all the seams are running in the proper position. Sometimes they'll get kicked back and crooked, and that will affect the way that the garment hangs on you. So make sure all your seams are facing the direction they should. And when you iron, you want to iron along the seams. And then just rotate your pants. We're going to catch this back pocket here. Again, everything's smooth underneath. Take it down the seam.